Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a super simple square knot bracelet. It requires one knot and it looks adorable and a little different than some of the other friendship bracelets you see. Before we do, if you need string, you can get it at your local craft store or grab it from my link below to help support the channel. I would appreciate it. Alright, we're gonna get right into the video. So these two strings are my base strings. You could do the same color, different colors, it doesn't matter. I just did two different colors because that's what I had. So these should be 18 inches. All right, and then I have these colors. I have my pink and white. These will be the two tones today for our two-toned. Remember, you can always wrap up strings like this. These guys are called bobbins. They're just plastic. You can get them cardboard. I'm running low on them, so I either need to use up string or buy more, and I am reluctant to buy more. So this is what we're going with right now. I want to have all of them at a 6-inch. So I want to tape it down, preferably where you can see. If you've learned a square knot before, this is the exact same deal. It's just the whole bracelet. I did two tones just because I personally think it looks cooler. So for the first knot, we're putting white underneath the base strings and over top of the pink. And then I want the pink to go over the base strings and through the loop that white made. All right, then I just want to pull it decently tight, but not like amazing, because I don't want to rip the tape off. Okay, now I want to do the exact opposite of that. So you could, if you kept doing that one knot over and over, it would start spiraling in a circle, which makes it difficult. So now the white will always be making the loop, all right, the whole time that we do it. So if that helps, even if the white switches sides. So the white goes under and over the pink. The pink goes over the base strings, under the white. Just opposites. And then you want to pull on the base strings and pull these knots. All right, this will be a little easier if you're not flat on the table. I generally work on bracelets like on the edge, but this makes it easier for you to see. So the white's already under the base strings, over the pink. Pink goes over base strings, under white. And I pull it. So the pink, the middle part, if you can see it, but the middle part is pink and then the outsides are white. So we just keep repeating this process. White is always making the loop and pink is always going through the loop. And then my favorite part about this is it's reversible. All right, I'm gonna make the whole 6 inches, and then I'll be back to tell you how we finish up this bracelet. This is our end product. Cut off the strings that are bundled so that I have 6 inches here at the end. All right, so there are a few things that you can do. You could do a 4-strand braid, you can do a 3-strand braid. So a 4-strand braid, that would be over, under, over, under, over, under. But that's a lot of work, so I will not be doing that. You could do a 3-strand braid, but for me it just feels wrong, so I'm separating here these colors, separating the two colors, and then I'm just going to twist them same way, and then I'll wrap them the opposite way. I'm just going to tie it in a little knot. Do the same thing on the other side. Here we've got the bracelet, and the front and the back, as you can see, are opposites. Well done. I hope that you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you did, make sure and give it a like and drop a comment if you have any questions. And subscribe to the channel for weekly tutorials just like this. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.